Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with prerequisites and immediate actions. Update Chrome OS now and back up critical files so nothing is lost. Once done, free up at least 5% of storage by deleting large downloads or moving media to Drive. This prevents sluggish behavior. Next, close or pin essential tabs so memory stays available. Make sure automatic updates are enabled and power settings won't interrupt the process. These steps lay the groundwork for faster, safer optimization without guessing what's already wrong. Now you do the heavier lifting. Enable Linux Beta if you need advanced apps, and assign 2 to 4 gigabytes of RAM only if your model supports it. Once enabled, install lightweight tools and use them instead of bloated web apps. Then, enable hardware acceleration in browser settings and systematically disable or remove unused extensions to reclaim CPU cycles. Finally, tweak power and display settings, lower brightness. Choose performance mode when needed. Because these changes finish by validating changes and cleaning up. Reboot, run simple benchmarks, and test battery life under typical workloads. If problems persist after optimization, back up and perform a power wash to restore a clean system image. This often resolves lingering software corruption. Once reset, reinstall only essential apps and restore files from Drive. If things still go wrong, check Chrome logs, try guest mode to isolate profiles, and escalate to support for suspected hardware faults. That targeted troubleshooting step saves time and prevents needless tinkering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.